Nepali Bornamala, Nepali Alphabets, Consonants, Part 1. Namaste and welcome to my channel, Learn Nepalese Language. I hope you have enjoyed learning Nepalese vowel in last video. Today you will learn consonants. There are 36 consonants in Devanagari or Nepalese script. Here in this video, Roman Nepali has been written for each consonant for you to help in pronunciation. But as you know, I have already mentioned in previous video also, there is no standard format for writing Roman Nepali for Nepalese letters. Okay guys, let's start. Here you can see the list of 36 consonant letters. We'll first practice the pronunciation of these 36 letters. Then in upcoming videos, you will learn vocabularies that are formed from these consonants. And today we will learn row by row. As you have already learned from previous video that there is a different sound for single A and double A. For single A, it is O, and for double A, it is A. In this video too, this will apply. Okay, let's start with first row. The first row, first letter is K. K-A, K. Kha. K-H-A, Kha. G. G-A, G. Gha. G-H-A, Gha. Ng. N-A, Ng. Ng is a nasal sound. Remember that Ng does not have any vocabulary starting from it. Now, second row. The first letter of second row is Chha. C-H-A, Chha. Chha. C-H-H-A, Chha. J. J-A, J. Jha. J-H-A, Jha. Yan. Y-A-N, Yan. Remember, Yan also does not have any vocabulary starting from it. Okay guys? Now third row. In third row, sound is produced by placing the blade of the tongue on the back side of the upper teeth. That means these are dental sounds. Let's start. The first letter is Ta. T-A, Ta. Tha. T-H-A, Tha. Da. D-A, Da. Dha. D-H-A, Dha. Ana. A-N-A, Ana. Like Ngo and Nyo, Ana also does not have any vocabulary starting from it. Rather, they are used in between the vocabularies, which you will learn in upcoming videos. Now, fourth row. The first letter of fourth row is Ta. T-A, Ta. Tha. T-H-A, Tha. Da. D-A, Da. Dha. D-H-A, Dha. Na. N-A, Na. These are interdental sounds. You must be wondering why same Roman Nepali has been written for letters of third and fourth row, but pronunciation is different. Yes guys, your observation is correct. This is because, as I've already mentioned, there is no standard format for writing pronunciation in Roman Nepali. This is why you need to learn actual pronunciation from native speakers like me. Okay, now let's continue. In fifth row, letters are pronounced through producing bilabial sound, which simply means that your upper and lower lips will be pressed together while pronouncing. Okay, let's start. The first letter of fifth row is Pa. P-A, Pa. Fa. P-H-A, Fa. Ba. B-A, Ba. Bha. B-H-A, Bha. Ma, M-A, ma. Now, sixth row letters. In sixth row, each letter has individual pronunciation. Now let's start. First letter is Ya, Y-A, Ya. Ra, R-A, Ra. La, L-A, La. Wa, W-A, Wa. Sha, S-H-A, Sha. Now, seventh row. The first letter of seventh row is Sa, S-A, Sa. Another letter is also Sa, S-A, Sa. Ha, H-A, Ha. Chha, K-S-H-A, Chha. Tra, T-R-A, Tra. Gya, G-Y-A, Gya. The last letter of sixth row, Sha, and first two letters of seventh row, Sa and Sa, are homophones. The last letter of sixth row, Sha, is pronounced bit high, and rest two Sha are low pronounced, like Sa, S-A, Sa. Okay guys, I hope you have understood. Now let's discuss about conjunct consonants. The last three letters of row 7, Chha, Tra and Gya, are also called conjunct consonants because each of these letters are formed from conjoining two different consonant letters. Now let's discuss. Chha. Chha is formed from Chha plus Ya. Tra is formed from Ta plus Ra, and Gya is formed from Ga plus Ya. This was all for today. Keep practicing the pronunciation, guys. Thank you. In upcoming videos, you will learn vocabularies formed from these consonants. If you find this video useful, then please do like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Do not forget to hit the notification bell icon. धन्यवाद.